Ah, naibira-bira dito.
Okay, this is orange. Okay, si orange is a Bornean orangutan. Found in Borneo, Indonesia, and common good fruits. And sometimes vegetables.
There's a tour going on.
Oh, nagkaon pa siya. Ah, hinilan din siya magkaon.
Actually, guys, 99.3% of their DNA is like humans. So, possible if they can talk lang sana, parang kain sila.
I wanna see him that eating the coconut because I think that's the hard.
There's the orange.
Well, he's taking his sweet old time.
15 years old pa lang.
Gotta eat the salad first.
Yan, gulay na naman yung kinakain. Vegetables, then sometimes fruits.
Dili na siya nagkakaon og karne or meat.
Hindi.
Pero delikado siya to sa
gonna have
tao.
onion
Dili
bread.
siya pwede gumita.
Sa ngayon po, but before, since he was 6 years old, the last time, nagba-bicycle po yan abang the park and zoo. Kasi may trainer pa yan. Pero ngayon hindi na namin ma-handle kasi masyadong malakas na siya. Then aggressive.
Kusgan na no. Di na kaya.
Bye na. Bye.
Hello. You eat the ano. Before daw, they let walking around the zoo when he was 6 years old. Now they cannot handle him because it's very big na and busy. Yeah.